If your class gets noisy and you feel forced to raise your voice, you don't have a volume problem. You have a systems problem. Because professional classroom control does not depend on personality. It depends on structure. Today, I'm going to give you a 5-part system that allows you to control noise without ever raising your voice. Noise happens for 3 reasons. Expectations were unclear. Transitions were unmanaged. Corrections were inconsistent. Students are not loud because they hate you. They are loud because the boundaries are not predictable yet. Control comes from predictability, and predictability must be designed. Most teachers correct noise after it happens. Professionals prevent it before it starts. Before group work, say, "You may talk." Level 2 voice. If it gets too loud, we reset. Short, clear, neutral. Now students know noise is allowed, but it has a limit. And there is a consequence. Pre-frame reduces 50% of problems. This rule is non-negotiable. If students are talking and you continue talking, you train them to ignore you. When volume rises, stop speaking immediately. Stand still. Do not compete. Silence creates a tension. Within seconds, students begin noticing. You regain control without effort. Most noise happens during transitions. Activity ending, papers moving, students shifting. So you must manage transitions clearly. Instead of, "Okay, next activity." Say, "In 3, 2, 1, pens down, eyes front." Countdowns work because they create psychological closure. No long speeches, short commands, clear endpoint. When one table gets loud, do not call them out publicly. Walk toward them. Stand beside the table. Pause. Lower your voice slightly and say, "Level 2. Then walk away. No lecture, no embarrassment. Professional correction is brief. The message is, "I see it. I'm calm. Adjust." You need one consistent reset phrase, not 5 different ones. Example, pause, reset, or voice is off. Always the same words, always the same tone. Over time, your phrase becomes a trigger. Students respond automatically. That's conditioning. That's leadership. You start group discussion. Volume increases beyond expectation. Step 1. You stop speaking. Half the room notices. Step 2. You walk toward the loudest group. Level 2. Step 3. Noise continues. You say clearly, pause, reset. You wait. Silence spreads. You resume instruction calmly. No raised voice. No frustration. Just structure. Students begin learning. When she says reset, we reset. Predictability builds control. Here is the truth. Teachers who shout are reacting. Teachers who control transitions, proximity, and resets are leading. Control without raising your voice is not about being quiet. It's about being systematic. Design the structure. Enforce consistently. Stay emotionally neutral. And your classroom will feel different within 2 weeks. Not because students changed, because you did. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment and share your classroom experience. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.